Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. I previously tried to create the target and as you can see I have the entire code, but still I'll try to make it on my own again. So let's remove the comments. As always, first we'll give the background color using star. So background, let's paste it. Now I'll make 3 divs which are A, B and C respectively, and here comes the C. Okay, and this becomes A. Also A, B, C. As we know, they all need position fixed. So position fixed, and I will use A to create this bigger one. So let's first change the background color to this one. Paste. I also take this entire because I'll use this B to create these circles. So let's cut it, A, B, and paste it. So I'll remove the pixels written from there. Now let's give it a top value of around, I'll give 100 as always. 90, 80, 70, 75. Yeah, 75 is correct. Now next is left. Again I'll give 100. Maybe 75 again. No, it is 65 this time. Now let's increase to 200, 300. No, less than 300. 250, 60, 70. Now it comes to height, and height would be I think 150. Yep, correct. Now we would be using clip path because obviously you can see we'll need clip path here. So polygon, we'll begin with the topmost corner, so 0, 0. Now we'll go down, so 0 and 100%. Now we have to come to right side. So I'll write 10% and 100%. It's less than we need, so 11.1. Yeah, 0.1 looks quite accurate. Now we have to take it upward, so I'll give a value 11.1% and 50%. It's more than we require, so 60. Yeah, 60 looks correct. Like, this is the actual thought process I was having when I first created that code. Now we have to go further. So by simple maths, 100 minus 11.1 will give us 88.9. So 88.9% and 60%. Now we have to take it down, so 88.9% again, and now when we go down it will become 100%. Next, as it is this corner which has the value of 100% and 100%, so we need not think anything there. Now the next is obviously going to be 100% and 0 because we have to go at top. Now this is where things get a little bit complex, but not that much. Like, we can simply see this is 11.1 and this is obviously equal to all that, and this is obviously 100%. So we can simply divide 100% by 3, which gives us 33.3, which, although under maths it is an infinite number, but still we can use it as the value here. So we'll give the value 33.3% and 0. This won't show a change because it is still in this line. Now we'll take it downwards. So we'll give 33.3% and I'll give around 50%. Okay, wait, we don't have to give 33. We'll give 66.6. And here also. The reason is simple, 100 minus 33.3 or 99.9 minus 33.3. We have got this value. Although it isn't 50, we need to decrease it, which makes it 40. Now we have to move towards the left side, and we know if this is 33.3, it has 3 sections divided by 3, 11.1. So I'll minus 11.1 from that, which will give us 55.5% and 40%. Now obviously taking it upwards, 55.5% and 0. Now again minus 11.1, which will give us 44%, 44.4% and 0. Now taking it down, 44.4% and 40%. Now it will become 33.3% and 40%. Now taking it upwards. It may be a little bit confusing to you, but if you have a basic and good understanding of maths, you can do it easily. So as you can see here, we have got the rough figure. Now I'll use B to create those circles. So B, I'll give it a rough value of width and height, which is width 50 and height 50. No, it is big. Then we need 40 and 40, 30 and 30. Yeah. So now we need to give border radius, which is going to be 50%. And now obviously we'll give it some location data. You can call it coordinates, you can call it location data. No, it doesn't matter if it is correct. Wait, where did it go? So let's take the top even down. No, 170 maybe, 180, 90, 195. Yeah, 195 is correct, and let's make it 100 now. 110, 20, 30, 125 maybe. Yeah. And obviously these are of the same size, so we can use box shadow. So box shadow, I'll give the color first because now I'll give a random value 100Q and 0. We can now decrease it to maybe 75, 65, 64 and 63. 63 looks quite correct. Now I'll just give it 163Q and 0. It is far more than required. We can take it to 153, 43, 33, 23, 125, 6, 7. Yep. Now only those squares are left. So C, I think the width and height would be same. Let me check once. So 30 and height 30, and the next thing is top 100 and bottom 100. Not bottom 100, my bad. It has to be left 100. Okay, it is almost there. Not much further. 90, 80. Wait, I'm my bad. 105, and here would be 95, I think. 95. So they have the same size, so why not give them the sizes together? So B comma C, wait, the comma C had to come here. Yeah. Now again we'll use just box shadow, and the first of all I'll take this color. So I think 100Q and 0 may work. Wait, wrong color. 150, 60, 70, 80, 90. 0.1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Let's submit it once and see is it 100% one. I hope it is. Okay, it is. Great. Now let's remove all the spaces which are just increasing the characters for no reason. I'll also remove the semicolons, whichever are at the end of CSS properties. Like we can also remove this. Okay, so I know it's taking a little bit time, but it's worth the wait. So almost there. Let's submit it now. Wait, why is it at 607 only? What are the global statistics? 862 are the average characters. Actually, I previously tried using that plus and star method, but I couldn't get any favorable results there. So I just left that idea. Maybe it has to be used to increase the score, but now we have made the code and it is working, so why to work anymore? So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.